record this and do it real quick.
Good.
Okay. So going to tap to trade. There's Joel. All I need to do is approve
Okay.
and then hit approve again. Yes. And then I'm going to go to Trade X Mastery. And then I'm going to click on Trade Locker. And here's my deal.
All right.
Go over and click on here.
All right.
And we'll let it run in the background. We'll let it run in the background and I'll come back to it.
Beautiful, 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 beautiful. That's
Yeah.
Got it.
Yep. Yep.
Got it. And I'm recording right now because as soon as Mark got on, it's funny. We'll share my screen just for a quick second, you guys. So when Mark got on, I took a tap to trade. So I went over to AKASHX and here was Joel's tap to trade. I approved it. And here's what my trade is doing right now. And I'm just going to close it out and make $350. Well, before we started this.
I see.
So that's
Robert has agreed so much, you know.
Yeah. So as soon as people see this video, Solomon, they're going to see me talking to Mark, and then I went over to tap the trade, took the tap to trade, made $350 while these people are waiting to get onto Zoom.
Yeah.
That sounds dumb.
Basically took the trade, made $336. and just that fast. And what's really, really cool is you can click on here and actually share this with social media. And so it's very, very simple and easy.